surprised to learn that you can make corn on the cob in the slow cooker, but it's really easy and really delicious. From jams to Parmesan cheese, check out these recipes from Better Homes and Gardens.
Get creative with slow cooker corn on the cob. For seasonings, you can do herb, cowboy, elote, or fruity. Start with butter for each. First ingredient is either herbs, crumbled bacon, fresh cilantro, or freeze-dried fruit. Second ingredient is either lemon juice, bacon jam, Parmesan cheese, or more freeze-dried fruit. Then, black pepper, bacon jam, or chili powder. Mash and mix the ingredients all together. Place corn on top of foil. Coat with your desired butter. Begin to wrap tightly with the foil. Place directly into your slow cooker. Cook slow for 4 to 5 hours. Remove with tongs. Be careful when opening it, it will be hot. Top with your desired garnish, and that's it.
And for one final tip, be sure to label the foil that you put on each corn on the cob so you know which flavor is which. For the full recipes, you can just go to bhg.com. Be sure to search for slow cooker corn on the cob and all of these recipes will pop up. Better Homes and Gardens is owned by the same company that owns this TV station, the Meredith Corporation.